is seen on TV sets, TV movies?
Yes.
You are certain.
Absolutely certain.
Okay. Now, I don't have many questions. It's just items that I would like clarity on. Nothing more, nothing less. I've marked them, so it won't take me long. I quote, you've clarified in cross-examination and you disagreed with Advocate Caesar, but I quote from what your evidence in chief says, because I've marked it. I've never seen this section used in more than 20 years or this charge to charge a person or an owner with this offense.
Responsible person.
That was not part of the evidence. I'm reading Viva Voce. Nonetheless, so you've never dealt with this section in more than 20 years. You've never testified about this section in 20 years.
No.
So this is the first time ever you are asked to testify about Section 120, 2010, small a. I see. Now, you also mentioned in cross-examination Mr. Malema was a licensed firearm holder or a competent person to...
As I understand the situation, he's not unfit.
Not unfit.
To possess a firearm.
Are you aware of his limitations in that aspect?
I am.
And please?
I do know that he has a competency certificate.
For up to what caliber firearm?
No, it's not related to caliber, it's related to category.
And if we speak about the firearm in issue that is mentioned to be the SP firearm, that is a rifle.
There are 4 categories of competency.
Yes?
Handgun, rifle.
Okay, let us be clear. It's been established that I'm under correction. Please assist me, Advocate Matthews, or Advocate Oda, sorry, it involves your client, that Mr. Malema may possess up to a 9mm firearm, not a rifle.
That's not correct. It's not, competency is not related to caliber. It's related to the type of firearm.
So if you own or you are competent to possess and own a firearm up to a 9mm firearm, you can also have a semi-automatic rifle.
You could have a semi-automatic carbine, which is a semi-automatic rifle. You could, I suppose, in theory, have a 9mm rifle. 9mm is a caliber, not a cartridge.
I'm speaking specifics here, not a 9mm rifle. I'm speaking about the SP firearm or rifle, which is an issue in this case, not in general, this case.
Your Worship, if I could perhaps approach it from a slightly different point of view. I said that Mr. Malema is not unfit to possess a firearm. The reason why I said that is I know that Mr. Malema had a competency certificate. You cannot have a competency certificate. It doesn't matter what that competency certificate is. You cannot have a competency certificate unless you've been, if you are unfit. So if you're declared unfit, then the process means that your competency certificate is cancelled.
I'm not disagreeing with you regarding competency. I'm asking you about possession of a certain type of firearm, being competent or not.